To perform electrical testing at the main board, locate and remove the access cover on the rear of the refrigerator cabinet. Be sure to wear protective gloves when working in this area. There are 4 connections on the board where testing can be done with a meter. J1 is where the thermistors connect. J2 is fan controller connections. These AC connections should be checked first. The compressor, defrost heater, and 120 volts in all connect on this blue Molex plug. Orange is the AC common. Use this lead to test for line voltage as well as ohms of the defrost heater and compressor motor. Set your meter to test for DC voltages. The J2 connector is where we will begin our testing. Fan motor control is done from this connector. Place the black lead from your meter into J2 pin 3. This is DC common for the entire test. J2 pin 8 should read 12 to 14 volts DC at all times. If it does not, stop testing further. The board has failed. There could be a shorted fan motor, temperature, or dispenser control board. J2 pin 4 will read the following voltages when the freezer fan motor is supposed to be running. 12 volts for high-speed fan, 8 volts for medium speed, 4 volts for low speed. Low is used on top mounts and variable speed compressor models only. This lead is a pulsed width modulated voltage output to the freezer fan motor. J2 pin 1 requires the meter to be set to frequency in Hertz. This is the fan speed output signal from the fan motor to the board. Read 100 Hz for low speed, 150 Hz for medium, 190 Hz for high. Readings are plus or minus 10%. J2 pin 5 will read these voltages when the condenser fan is supposed to be running. 12 volts for high speed, 8 volts for medium speed, 4 volts for low speed. Note that medium and low are used on variable speed compressor models only. J2 pin 6 will read these voltages for the fresh food fan operation. 0 volts for high speed, 3 volts for medium speed, 12 volts for off. Leave your black meter lead in J2 pin 3 and test for 5 volts DC with your red lead at J1 pin 5 here. This is the supply voltage to the thermistors. This concludes the voltage testing.